All right, so this is going to be our lecture number 18, and in this lecture we would be discussing pattern 4. And for your knowledge, I have already covered pattern 1, 2, 3 in my previous videos. So if you have not watched them, then I would request you, to all of you, that you should watch them, because in that patterns I have discussed how to get started with any pattern, how to tackle any kind of pattern structure, whatever we have to display to the user screen.
मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
Coming to the current lecture, I will be discussing in this particular video pattern 4. So let me show you quickly what the design we have to draw. So this is the structure which we have to print on the user screen, of course, and we need to carefully observe this structure. Fine. So if you look at here, so first thing first, we have to make this pattern for n is equal to 5. Fine. So we have to make this star for 5 size. Of course, the size of this pattern will be varying according to the user input, but we are taking an example of 5. So coming to this, what we have to do, if you analyze here, this is first row, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So these are the 5 rows, and along with that we have same number of columns also. So it's a kind of a square, but half of the portion is blank. So in the blank portion, what we have to print, we just have to print blank spaces like this. Fine. So this is a star which we have, this is the pattern which we have to print. So this is the one part and this is the second part. Cool. So what we have to do, we have to analyze in our first row what we are displaying. So in the first row we are displaying 0 number of spaces and 5 number of star, and in the second row what we are displaying 1 space and 4 stars. In the third row we are displaying 2 space 3 star. In the fourth row we are displaying 3 spaces and 2 star, and in the fifth row we are displaying 5 spaces and 1 star. So if you observe here, we are decreasing our count of stars by 1, and certainly we are increasing our count of spaces by 1 also. So this is actually a simple program. So it's a kind of flip of the pattern 3. So let me code it up quickly what we have to do. So firstly, I have already taken an input from the user, and to print all the rows we need to run a loop from 1 to I. Fine. So what it will do, it will print 5 rows. So these are the 5 rows, it will print 5 rows. Great. So in each row, what we have to print, we have to print space and stars, the combination of these two. So to print space and star, I am declaring 2 variables named spaces. Let's initialize 0, and star. This is also 0. So we need to think about the initialization of these 2 variables. So let's again do the structure. In the first row, what we have to print? In the first row we have to print 0 spaces and 5 stars. So we will use the same logic in our variable initializations. So we have to print n number of stars and 0 space. So this is the initialization part for these 2 variables. And now the things are very simple. We just need to print star and spaces. So we need to run this space loop till number of spaces, and in this loop what we have to do, we just have to print space system.out.print. So this is the print statement which we use to print any message onto the console or the user screen in Java. So here I can print space, and apart from this, to separate the output on the screen clearly, I would like to print tab here instead of space. Fine. So this will print all the space in a row which is required, and the another loop would be for stars. So let's say we are printing star. So this loop will be executed till number of star. Initially we have 5, so this will print 5 star, and inside this we have to print 1 star, and after exactly printing 1 star we just need to print a tab also, so that our output should be visible. Fine. And in the end we just need to break our line. So this will break our line. And if you look at here, in each row what we are doing, we are increasing our space by 1 and decreasing our star by 1 also. So we do have to do the same thing. We will do star minus minus and space plus plus. So this is all we have to do to print the pattern 4. I don't think any mistake I have done in this program, so let's directly give it a run. It is saying we have an error. So what is that error? We have missed a semicolon here actually. So now we don't have any error. Let's try it again. It is running fine. So let me give an input S5. So it has printed the exact same output which we are having here. Let's run it again for another input. Let me give 8 this time, so that you should be very sure that our program is working or not. So as you can see, it has printed exact same output which we want. So this is how we can print the pattern 4. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.